variables are case sensitive, which means if I say ff is equal to 34 and if I say capital ff is equal to 34, then small ff and capital ff, these both numbers, they are totally different. So these are rules for creating variables in journal. They need not be numbers. I did not tell you about this in tutorial number 2 on variables, so I'm telling it now. So you must make sure that all of your Python variables are satisfying all these rules. Moving towards the numbers, you can add two numbers like this. Talking about numbers, there are three types of numeric types in Python. So if I talk about Python numbers, then I'll say there are three types of numbers in Python. And number one is int, number two is float, and number three is complex. So we'll see all of these three data types one by one. So if I say x is equal to 1, then this is an integer data type of type int, integer numeric. Now again, if I talk about y is equal to, let us say 1.11, then this is a floating point, a float numeric type of type float. Talking about z is equal to, I'll say z is equal to 1.11 plus 5j, let me say 1 plus 5j is a complex numeric data type of type complex. So let me fix the spelling of float here. I'll save it, and if I run it, you'll see syntax error because I did not comment this out. Let me comment this out and run this program once again, and you see 91 and this went through. So if I print x comma y comma z and I save it and I run it again, you'll see I'll have this 1.11 and 1 plus 5j, which is a complex number. Now again, you can also check the type of all these three numbers, and you will see int, float and complex respectively. Now again, a floating point number can also be a negative number. You can also put a minus sign before this integer data type, and you can do the same thing with complex data type as well. Now I would like to talk about type conversion. If you want to convert a number from one type to the other, you can do type conversion. So let's talk about type conversion here. So I'll say type conversion, and I will say c is equal to int y, and if I print c and I run this program, you'll see it shows me -1. So the value of y was -1.11. If I typecast it into an integer type, it will convert it to an integer number, which means it will no longer be a decimal number and it will be converted to an integer. So if it was 1.91 and if I run this program with the value of y is 1.91, it'll again be -1. So this is how you can change data type of a particular variable to another. Now again, you could have also done something like this, like d is equal to float x, and if you try to print d here, let me save it and let me run it once again. So if I run this, you'll see that the value of x is -1 and it is now converted to -1.0, and at the same time it is stored in d. When I say d is equal to float x, it means that whatever is returned by float x, put it inside this variable d. That's it. That's about it. So I hope you understood type conversion properly. And now we'll talk more about type conversion in the future. We'll see how we can convert strings to numbers and numbers to strings and float to strings and strings to floats. We'll do all kind of good stuff like this in the future. But for now, this was about numbers and this was about rules for declaring a variable. So I hope you like this video. Again, if you haven't already accessed the Python playlist, go to the channel, make sure you have the playlist bookmarked. All you have to do is click on this view full playlist and bookmark it somewhere, save it so that you don't lose it, and I'm going to be adding more and more videos to this playlist. I hope you are enjoying this course. So guys, I hope you were able to understand what numbers in Python are, and all the techniques that I have shared in this video and the code that I'm writing in this video will be available in the description. So I want all of you to access that link from the description. I hope you are enjoying this course. If you are, give this video a like and also tell me in the comment section what kind of exercise you are looking for, because I'm going to be dropping an exercise for you very soon. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.